There have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, yet up until this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework, or so they thought. The first, Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, Genuinely Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, truly is an administration pretty token. The last option is the digital currency we will explicitly be checking out at in this cost conjecture. Kindly note that our GMT token cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation guidance. If it's not too much trouble, consistently do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital money. What most certainly is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called stepn. Its primary objective is to support a solid way of life and advance eco-neighborliness. The application permits clients to acquire rewards for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT shoes. At the hour of composing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. stepn for the most part offers an entire huge number of elements that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners, or so they thought. The application contains a whole biological system of cryptographic money-related items that will really permit novices to draw on with stepn without downloading any genuinely extra applications. There is an unconstructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's just the beginning. Moreover, what separates stepn is its emphasis on intuitiveness and an application gamification in a significant way. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes in an unpretentious manner. There are additionally numerous really friendly intuitiveness choices. Who established stepn? stepn was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong. The really previous is a deep-rooted game designer, while the last option is a crypto private backer and business person. The task has a hearty group loaded with industry veterans and experts and has banded together with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT Authentic Value Investigation. As GMT especially is as yet a somewhat new digital money, it's challenging to foresee the future value patterns of this sort of token. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can especially give us some knowledge into how GMT may essentially act from here on out. In light of past execution, we can accept that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long run as additional clients start utilizing this stage, which is very critical. The GMT essentially token has as of now explicitly hit an especially few high points and low points since its IDO and walk 2022. And its market cap really is at present found solidly inside the fundamentally top 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has topped at $4.11. stepn Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of stepn costs expected in 2022, the base expense of stepn will be $1.85. The greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost most certainly is normal around $1.92. stepn Value Expectation October 2022 in a really significant manner. Crypto specialists in a real sense are continually breaking down the vacillations of stepn. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical GMT cost will explicitly be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75. Yet it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2027. stepn Value Forecast November 2022, or so they explicitly thought. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of stepn. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year, which is very critical. stepn Value Forecast December 2022. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the stepn's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the greatest GMT cost of $2.10. In any case, its rate could drop to around $1.85. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92. stepn value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of stepn in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the genuinely least cost of stepn will generally be around $2.71 in an unobtrusive manner. The really most extreme expected GMT cost might be around $3.28. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. stepn value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of stepn, in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying genuinely least and sort of greatest costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21 in a significant manner. stepn value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency essentially have dissected the costs of stepn and their variances during the earlier years, which is genuinely huge. It truly is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its genuinely greatest can generally reach $7.16. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. stepn value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of stepn by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and especially least GMT costs basically are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75. By and large, it will be exchanged at $9.07. stepn value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of stepn. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $12.92. It could drop to at least $12.47, yet it actually could reach $15.46 all through 2027 in a significant manner. stepn value expectation 2028 in a huge manner. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of stepn, in spite of prevalent thinking. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028. Its typical expense in every practical sense, is normal at around $18.06 during the year. stepn value forecast 2029 in a significant manner. Digital currency experts are prepared to report their assessments of the stepn's cost in a significant manner. The year